Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the side buttons or power buttons of your iPhone if it's not working. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, this one right here may be a bug. Well, you can just go ahead over to the settings app and make sure that you update your iPhone to the latest release. Okay. Check for updates right here and then go ahead and install all available updates. And then once that's done, go ahead and test it out. Okay. Now, if that soon will work, the best possible option here for you might be resetting your Apple device. But skip that for now. We're going to do that later. You can just try to at least force restart your phone. Okay. You have the up and down volume button and the side button. So up and down, press on the up volume key, press it once, and then after that, the volume down key. Press it once, and then hold the side button right here until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, you can now go ahead and release it. Okay, and after that, go ahead and check if everything works perfectly fine now. Now, if that will work, you may want to go ahead and clean the side buttons. Okay, remove any protective cases or films as they can obstruct the button. Also, you could go ahead and clean around the button with a microfiber cloth or a cotton swab or even a toothpick. Okay, and do make sure to include isopropyl alcohol. Okay, not ethyl alcohol. Again, isopropyl. Once you've cleaned up everything, each button, go ahead and test it out. Now, if that still won't help fix the issue, we are down to two things. Could be that these buttons right here are bricked. Okay, could be a problem with your board or motherboard, or it's a problem with your operating system. Now, for the operating system, first up, go to settings right here, and then just find general again. Now scroll down a bit and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then go ahead and tap on erase all content and settings. Okay, do make sure that you back up your photos, videos, and everything before you reset or erase all of your content and also settings. Okay, reset it, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. If that doesn't help as well, you might want to get it checked to a local technician, or if it's still under warranty, okay, you can go ahead and get it checked from Apple, as there may be a problem with your buttons or the board itself where these buttons are connected. All right, and there you have it. Those are the ways to fix your side buttons or power button if it's not working on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.